Today we are going to Mandalpatti and we are going to share you details how to reach Mandalpatti. To reach to this place, you have to come to first Madikeri. Madikeri can be reached from different cities from the Karnataka. Bangalore. It takes 270 kilometers, approximately 6 hours journey. From Mangalore, it takes 138 kilometers, approximately 3.5 hours journey. From Mysore, it takes 118 kilometers. It takes approximately a 3 hours journey to Madikeri. From Madikeri, you need to travel 3.1 kilometer to Jeep rent location, and from the Jeep rent location, you need to travel once again 15 kilometers in a bumpy road in a Jeep. And once you get down from the Jeep at the Mandalpatti location, you need to short distance trekking to reach to the hilltop. Take left turn at this location. To reach to this place, you can come by jeep ride as well as trekking. And the trekking is currently due to COVID, it has been stopped. And once everything is normal, the trekking will be resumed back. The Karnataka Tourism Department has stopped bringing our own vehicle till this location due to narrow road and bumpy road, and they have asked to stop at Abbey Falls Junction, where you'll get jeeps to hire. They cost around 750 to 1500 range, depending upon the number of people who get into the jeep. Approximately, they will take a 2.5 hours journey, a 40 minutes drive to one side and come back 40 minutes. The remaining hours, approximately 1 hour, will be time spent. You can time spent at the top location of the hill. Visiting hours would be morning 6 a.m. to till sunset 6 p.m. On the way, you have to stop at checkpost where you have to pay 24 rupees per person as on 2021 as the entry fees, and they will ask you to discard any plastic bottles and bags if you are carrying. Those are not allowed. The distance from Coorg is approximately 20 kilometers from the Abbey Falls, and it takes around nearly 40 to 1 hour, 40 minutes to 1 hour journey to reach to this location. Once the jeep is reached to destination, from there you need to start trekking. It's a short distance, approximately half a kilometer, and if you are medical fit, then it's good to trek. Then any aged person can trek this half a kilometer distance, no issues. Mandalpatti is located in Madikeri, and this place is at an altitude of 4050 feet from the sea level. This place is lush green, serene, and very nice nature place. Those who love the nature, this place is for them. When you reach to the top location in Mandalpatti, you will literally feel the clouds which are just passes nearby you, and you will feel literally the green lawn on the top of the hill, and cool air, about 20 to 25 degrees Celsius temperature. So you will feel literally very nice and very calm, very beautiful place when you visit at the top. The Karnataka Tourism Department has made several arrangements to view the panoramic view. They have built a viewing viewpoint, and as well as the couple of steps to get down at certain location and enjoy the view. This hilltop Mandalpatti location is comes under the Pushpagiri forest area. The local people, this place as well, they call it as Mugilupet, and another name is called Market of Clouds. Since this region is untouched by commercialization and civilization, so this place remains untouched by anyone, and this place is completely remains same as a natural, fresh ground. If you're coming to the first time to this Madikeri, and this is the and literally you will enjoy and you will feel so much comfortable when you reach to the top location. The best time to visit this place is November to January. During this time, you'll feel a mist and a cool air, and literally the clouds are just passes nearby you, so you'll feel and enjoy much in the environment. Try to carry sunglasses and umbrella, and if you are traveling in the winter, try to carry the warm clothes, just precautionary. That's it from Mandalpatti details. Thanks for watching. Please keep subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you once again.